Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, my dad came to visit Lucas and I in Boston. We have decided to finally prank him. Here is what that prank is. Check it out. So we have this sign at the very back of the car, honk for good luck. And my dad will be wondering, why is everyone honking at me? You know why.
He's gonna bug out.
Wait to see his reaction. Let's go. Alright guys, so my dad came to Massachusetts to visit Lucas and I, and we're going to Boston right now.
We're going to Boston.
Massachusetts has the most traffic in America.
Let's go, Boston.
Let's go,
Turn
boss.
left onto the US 3 South ramp.
I'm gonna have to touch the ball. That would be the most risky thing there.
Look. Hey!
Oh, where this goes to...
You gotta slow down.
Yeah, I see it, miss.
Okay, alright. You're
I'm
going
doing
crazy.
the speed
You're
limit.
speeding, going crazy.
No, I'm not.
You see that?
That's what it's there
Exactly.
for, miss.
Lucas said it too.
Shut up, miss.
You saw that, right, Lucas? You see?
I'm not speeding. That's why they're pissed.
3 cars already honked at you.
I don't give a shit. I'm not speeding. I'm doing a speed limit, yes. Oh, this is the second day that I'm feeling good.
God, drive safe.
He's not. What's going on? What the hell am I doing wrong? I don't know what the hell I'm doing wrong here. I'm not doing nothing wrong here. What the hell?
You're bugging out. It's 4 cars already honked at you.
I don't know why they're f***ing honking for. I'm
See, Dad, you're driving
no
crazy.
one's beeping at me. Shut up.
They just beeped at you.
No, he's beeping at you in front of him. Shut up.
You're acting crazy.
Now we go to Boston.
We're going to Boston.
Going to Boston. Hopefully we get there safe.
Yeah. Boston. Yes.
Yeah, hopefully we get there alive, guys.
Stay tuned.
Oh my gosh. That was a close one.
Continue on I-93 South for 11 miles.
Careful. They're all honking.
The dude's honking. That dude almost hit the woman in back. They're honking at her.
You keep saying other.
Yeah.
How did you see that? Like, you just made that up.
You gotta be aware. Yo, he was riding her and she stopped. I see
I thought
everything.
you're focused on the road. Focus on the road, not other people. Hey, I knew it. Dad, you're bugging out, Dad.
Oh, look, a pig.
Careful.
That was the dude he pulled over. That was
honked at
funny.
us?
Yep.
No,
Yep,
you're
yeah.
bugging out. That was a blue
I
car.
think he's this different.
Dad, be careful.
No one's beeping at me. Shut up. Enough.
Nobody beeps on the highway.
Okay.
Careful. See, they're honking at you.
No, it's not bad.
They're honking at you.
I think he's home. Yeah, he's home.
Dad, stop. You're bugging out.
Bunker Hill Community College.
Boston.
Careful, Dad. You're doing good. Dad, careful.
This doesn't bother me. I should have went there.
What are you doing?
Where am I going?
Yo, people, you're bugging out.
Where am I going?
Focus. Dad, go straight.
What?
You're bugging out.
Next right.
You're bugging out.
I'm not going. I just want to get over.
You
it.
can't do that.
Shut the hell.
It's too close. You're
I'm
past
not
the
going
metal.
there. Shut up. Stop playing around, man.
Dad, you're actually
Yo,
going crazy.
Shut up. You figured you know this already by being here.
I told you, you're
now that if
you're
I
messing
would come here
up.
again, I would just do that route there.
I've been telling you
It's
the whole
simple.
time, and you don't want to take it serious. Careful. Everybody's honking at you. Oh my God, here we go with the pictures. There's somebody driving behind us.
There.
That this.
This is history. This is cool. Boston! Yeah!
Dad! People are honking at you! Okay, here's some advice to you guys. If somebody's touring a city and you're in the car, don't let them drive because they can't focus on one thing. They'll be focusing on everything and they're just gonna mess up driving altogether. Okay? Thank you
Let's go have
very
coffee.
much.
Sitting in front
Please
of
just
us.
give us a big thumbs up for putting up with
look,
this.
they got the
this
concert there,
craziness.
dude.
Oh my god.
I don't care.
Dad, you're bugging out. I hate to say it again, but let's drive safe. Okay?
Look at that building there.
Rosa Mexicana? Oh my. Careful. Dad, careful. You almost hit them.
Shut up.
You heard the honk? Don't
Ridiculously
let
nice,
a
yeah.
tourist
I am like totally
drive.
shocked how beautiful it is.
Dad. That's okay.
I can't
Whatever.
make a
It
left,
happens.
but I can
it's
make
fine.
a U-turn though.
Just deal. Just deal, boo. Deal. Okay? Say,
Yeah, this place is freaking nice here.
careful. Please drive easy.
Yo, this is so nice here. Like, what the hell? I did not expect this.
She's a bird woman. Dad, be careful. Dad, be careful.
I don't know why people. It's a f***ing red light, people.
Move up a little bit.
Yeah, shit.
Oh my. Dad! That's not funny. You have 3 Snapchats with beeps in it. That's not funny.
I'm right. Look how right I am.
Dad!
Look, Lucas, I was right.
The cops,
we were
the
here.
cops.
No, there's no cops coming.
Thank God. Oh my God, this is too much.
Shut up. Look,
It's too much.
we were here yesterday, guys. What the hell are you talking
You're
about?
going crazy. You've been so focused on everything but driving.
Come on, just be quiet. Then the car's going in front of us now. Be quiet. This up, man.
You're bugging out, Dad. Who just beeped the horn?
Just shut your mouth sometimes. I don't care.
You're the worst driver. in
You are the
world.
worst driver.
I have to tell you.
Is this guy going?
I'm so stressed right now.
Is this guy going?
I've never experienced.
Can you ask him if he's going?
Oh my God.
Is he going?
Hey, are you leaving? You're good? You're leaving? Yes, thank you. Ah! He's leaving.
Let these people waiting back to me. I don't give a. Yo, look, Mike's pastry shop.
Yo, all the stuff here is amazing, okay? So you just relax, don't go crazy. We have cafes here, everything. Mike's Pastry, Boca Chino, Familia Gorgino. Back up for him. Come on, let's do this correct. Don't get too excited. We're finally getting out the car where it's
I'm gonna
safe.
throw a woman back to me.
Don't hit nobody.
In here.
I'm so embarrassed. You embarrassed me in front of Lucas' dad. You embarrassed me.
Listen, I get.
How embarrassing are you?
Look at that. Look
You're
how good
embarrassing.
That was. Look how good that was. Look, see how he's out?
I'm
You
so
are in.
embarrassed. Never again.
I kind of juice.
You should be embarrassed.
Show me the coffee.
Dad! Come over here! Look at the car! Dad, look at the car!
You're such a. Oh my God. And you thought this was my driving. How dare her. Lucas, you're down with this?